Hi, I'm Manny Saini, Value Stream Director, Pattonair EU Hub Operations. So we're at the Headway facility for 5 days. We've got a group of 10-15 people every day coming over, painting, installing kitchens, cleaning, for this fantastic operation, the Headway Run, supporting people with severe brain injuries. This is our very small contribution towards the work they continue to do. And looking forward for the next 5 days.
Hi guys, this is day one at Headway, doing all the renovations for our charity of the year. And what are we doing, Jamie?
So basically the task of the day is start all the prep work, filling all the holes in the walls, sanding the walls down, start the cutting in and getting the walls painted.
Great, so we've now found the kettle and me and Jamie are going to make ourselves a cup of tea.
All right, come on, let's go.
Catch you later.
Right, it's the start of day two. There's 10 of the Pattonair reps here working tirelessly. A lot of painting going off, a few splashes around, but we've been careful of the carpet. We've got a massive thanks to Wix, who have very kindly donated a kitchen. So really, really big thanks to you guys. It's going to go a long way and help us get really set up and ready for the opening in January.
So I think I'm really, really proud of everybody who's contributed and really, really excited. We're going to have fun. We're going to do a cracking job. And like I said, thank you very, very much to Wix once again for contributing towards the kitchen.
So here we are, day 3 at Headway with our team volunteering. We've got another 12 people here today, so that makes over 30 people just in the last 3 days. And we are working on tidying everything up, getting everything ready to get the carpets cleaned over Christmas. So we're finishing all the decorating that's been done. Another great big thank you to Wix for donating the kitchen, and that will be put in over the next few weeks. The team are just finishing off all the sanding, doing all the glossing, and then we're good to go. And on behalf of Pattonair, I just want to say a great big thank you to everyone who's taken part over the last 3 days. We've got through absolutely loads, and the team at Headway are so pleased with the work that we've done. And onwards into January, where we've got a few more days of activities to do to really finish this place off.